I'm going to give you 5 tips for creating the ultimate schedule when attending a fitness conference. I've been asked this a lot recently, as a matter of fact. I am Janice Jakes. I'm the owner of the FitnessFest Conference and Expo, and we are a conference and expo for the fitness professional, the personal trainer, the group exercise instructor, the mind-body practitioner. And we just celebrated our 27th year as a fitness conference. We've been getting a lot of questions when people register, like what should I choose and how do I choose and all that kind of stuff. So I thought I would give you 5 tips for creating the ultimate schedule. So first of all, number 1, read the description. Often a speaker, presenter, as we call them in the fitness, on the fitness circuit, a presenter will give you a cutesy title that has nothing to do with the description. And personally, as the conference host, I try to discourage that because not all attendees will read the description. They'll see that great title and they'll, hey, I'm in. This recently happened to me personally, so I do know that sometimes the title does not match the description. Not always, but read the complete description. Number 2, mix it up. A lot of times you're excited, especially if you're a group fitness instructor or a trainer or a personal trainer, and you just want to get the best workout and you want to bring home all these ideas. So you like 8-9 hours of full workout back to back. You're probably going to be sorely tired if you do that. So mix it up. Lectures, nutrition, there's usually nutrition choices and yoga choices and stretching choices with the workout. So, plan carefully throughout your day or days. Typically a fitness conference is 3 or 4 days. Number 3, get out of your comfort zone. If you, for example, are a Pilates instructor, you probably don't want to take all Pilates. You never know what other workshop or what other lecture might give you different ideas for cueing, or maybe you'll end up getting into a different additional format as well. So get out of your comfort zone and try something different, try something new. Number 4, choose something just for you. And what I mean by that is, let's say that you are a group fitness instructor and you're not allowed to give nutrition advice. We're not supposed to. So perhaps you want to know about nutrition, or perhaps you want to know about menopause, or perhaps you want to know about writing a book. And often a conference will have something like that, or publishing a book. They might have a workshop or a lecture. The bigger conferences and the conferences like FitnessFest have a variety of business and aqua and Pilates and yoga and self-help and growth and just a variety. So choose something just for you. We have to feed our own soul, not just everything that has to do with our clients and our students. Obviously, we're there to get our continuing education credits and to bring back new ideas and perhaps new formats for our students and clients. But it's also important to fill our own cup and feed our own soul personally so that we can be holistically well-rounded. So I think that might be an oxymoron. But so number 5. Yes, we're talking about creating a schedule, but also talk to your neighbor, connect, network. You never know what you are going to come home with. So believe it or not, and I've been in the industry for over 30 years, and a group fitness instructor, like even a vivacious Zoom instructor, a lot of times they are introverts. And so they don't want to get out there and talk. But talk to your neighbor, talk to the presenter. Again, this is number 5. It doesn't have that much to do with your schedule, but when you're planning your schedule, I personally love to shop the expo. This is where I get to talk to vendors, and this is where I run into people. This is where perhaps I'll have a meeting with a vendor or a sponsor or one of the presenters. So save time for that and save time for connection and networking. There you go. But I'm going to give you a bonus, and this bonus might be the most important thing. Before you click register, and by the way, often the conferences like mine, they have early bird specials. So sign up early, so that you can get those best prices. But before you click register, Go through everything. Spend 30, 45, maybe even an hour, depending on how large the conference is. Like we typically have like 6 or 7 things going on at one time. We typically have about 50 or 60 workshops. Some of the other ones have like 100 or more, right? Choices. So, and maybe 10 or 15 in each time slot. So before you click register, get pen and paper out and just take the time, know a time that, okay, I'm going to have some peace and quiet. Maybe it's early in the morning with your coffee. Maybe it's in the evening when your kids are asleep or whatever, but find a time when you can really write things down. Oh, there's these 2 things happening at the same time. I kind of like both of them. Or, oh, the next time Jana said, let's get some variety here. So I'm going to go out of my comfort zone. I'm going to pick this. So take that extra time. Don't forget to subscribe. We've got lots of other variety of tips coming up shortly. And as a recap, read not just the title, but read the entire description. Take the time to go through everything. Mix it up. Don't just do workouts through the whole day. Get out of your comfort zone. Try something new. Choose something just for you, something different, okay? And then take time to network and connect and talk to your attendees, the other attendees, the presenters, the vendors, everybody. So thank you for watching. I'm Janice Jakes, the owner of the FitnessFest Conference and Expo. And our next event, we do have an Aqua event coming up in September, but our next FitnessFest event is the first weekend in April 2025 in Phoenix, Arizona. Thank you.